Hello students, I'm sure you all must be fit and fine. So now let's start with our new classes. It is literature reader and the chapter is the Jackal King. As the name suggests, that this story is about a jackal who became a king. How he became a king, what happened then. So all this we'll come to know in this story. Children, do you know that jackals are very famous for their cleverness, or I must say their shrewdness? So here also in this chapter, the jackal showed its cleverness and shrewdness. But what happened of him, this you will come to know through this chapter. So there was a jackal who was searching for his food all day, but he didn't get any. In the end, he entered a washerman's house, and whatever he could get to eat, he ate that. And while he was trying to come back from the house in a hurry, see what happened, he fell into the washerman's indigo vat. Actually, that was a washerman's house. So there was a tub, an indigo vat. It is a type of tub which was filled with indigo color. You know, you might have seen in that rainbow colors, indigo, a little bluish purplish color. Yes, so there was a container which was filled with indigo color. So the jackal, it fell into that. He tried to get out of it, but he could not. So he kept on trying for that till morning, but suddenly a clever idea came to his mind. Because I have told you that jackals are very famous for their cleverness. So in this jackal's mind also a clever trick came. What he did, he lay motionless. Motionless means without moving, showing as if someone is dead. So this jackal also, he lay down motionless. He made keep his legs stiff as if he is dead. The washerman came to dip his clothes in the vat. And when he found, he looked, oh, some dead animal is there. Though he is very upset and irritated, he thought that this animal could not go anywhere. He found this my indigo vat, but even then what he has to do, he could do. So what he did, he was very angry, but he picked the jackal and threw it on the rocks outside town. The jackal, he waited for some time. He waited till the washerman disappeared, and then he got up and ran away from there.